The next type of inheritance is sex-linked. It's defined as a gene found on the sex chromosome, usually X-linked. I'm using Courtney's pink disease as an example of sex-linked inheritance. A carrier female is a woman without the disease who are heterozygous for the trait and can pass it to the offspring. I highlighted 2 carriers right there. Affected females are the next one. They would be the XX with the recessive Rs, since the recessive R is the pink disease and the dominant R is healthy. The affected males would be XY with the recessive R because it's X-linked. The healthy male would have a dominant R. Let's look at a practice problem with the same genotypes. In Courtney's family, the gene for pink disease is sex-linked recessive. Capital R is healthy and lowercase r is the disease. Cross a female who has the pink disease with a normal male. What is the probability of having a child with the disease? So a female who has the disease would have 2 recessive R's. One normal male would have an uppercase R, and a child with the disease could either be female or male and have lowercase r's. Let's use a monohybrid cross to see the results of the offspring. First, we have to write that the female is crossing with the male. So the genotype for the female is 2 X's, and the genotype for the male is an X and a Y with a healthy R. So far, we're getting a heterozygous carrier for female, another heterozygous carrier, a male that is unhealthy with the disease, and another male that's unhealthy with the disease. So to answer the question, what is the probability of having a child with the disease? That would be 50%, or 1/2. I know this because 2 out of the 4 children, or the 2 males, have the lowercase recessive r, which means unhealthy. As for the 2 female, they would be carriers. So what does that mean? They do not have the disease, but they can pass it on to their offspring. And since they have the dominant R, that masks the recessive R of the disease. All in all, sex-linked inheritance is when a gene is passed down on the sex chromosome. My sources: